welcome everyone. Today we're gonna talk about the BDL Screener. My name is Joe from Big Dog Labs, and on board again, Angelo. How you doing?
Great, my friend. Great. How are you?
Nice, thank you. Yeah, like all the time, we make the videos, and nice to speak today about the screener. This was a special request of, I think, some of members of our Big Dog Labs, and
Me.
and Angelo, of course, and you.
It's finally here. It's finally
It's
here.
finally here, and we customize it and we make a lot of change, and now you can understand about it, how it works, and what is the benefit of it. So first of all, you can see here the screener in the down area. Um, I make a quick instruction because the screener should be used on the 15 minutes time frame. It have performance reason because PineScript and TradingView come on its limit of its performance. So the best way is to plug it on the 15 minutes, but no worries, we have a way to anyway looking in another time frame on the chart. So first of all, we have to split our screen in two different layers, and normally you will see like here two different charts. So we want to plug the screen on the second chart here. You choose it, make sure it's blue, and adding the indicator via the indicator menu. And in the best case, it looks like this. Yeah, and so we have one chart for the indicator and another chart to choose the time frame you would like to watch.
Yeah, it really helps you out because when you are using the screener on the second screen and you switch from the 15 minutes to a higher time frame, you will lose the data because we really used all the GPU power to get it to work. And
Yes,
if you just leave the second screen on the 15 minute all the time, you can use the upper screen to chart.
right. Yeah. So we can enjoy the performance while the screen is just there. Only the screener takes a lot of time to calculate everything. So once you open it, it's normal to waiting a half minute, maybe 20 seconds, something like that. So it's completely normal because it's calculate a lot of different things. Yeah, let's go straight to the menu. So as you see, we have up to 10 coins and different indicators you can watch parallelly. On top, we have the candle hunter signals, just a couple of them, but the most important ones. So, yeah, here we go. Angelo, you know about it already. You got the first look. We improve it together. What you want to ask me first or want to talk about it?
So I think uh, it's best that we only are going to use BTC.
You can change the time frames. So at the moment, we decide to have 15, 1 hour, 4 hour, in one day. But if you want, you can customize it as well.
Hmm.
Okay, here we
Nice.
go. To make it easier, just a BTC. Do you want to know something specific or you just talk about the indicators?
If you look at the RSI timeframes, do they work on candle close or real time?
Good question. Yes, they're working on candle close on the previous candle because everything which is not finished yet, it's also not confirmed. That means when we watch now here the 15 minutes, oh sorry, 4 hours of BTC, this candle is not closed yet, and this will closed very soon. But before it's not closed, it's not confirmed. So
Hmm.
the values you see here just change when the next candle confirmed on the 1 day, on the 15 minutes. So this change every 15 minutes, for example.
Yeah, that's pretty great because when we look at the 4 hour, value. So that's the value of the previous candle. Can you pull up the RSI indicator so we can see what it has done the last couple of 4 hours?
Yes, I prepared the indicators.
And um, if you go to the BDL screener, that screen, you can drag the horizontal line all the way down. So we have more. Yeah, great.
Okay, just to get an overview, RSI is the first, then the Stotch, MACD, and then we have also the super trend. I'm gonna put it here. So we got gonna talk about this for here first, right?
So now we can see that since the last candle close, we are still moving up on the RSI. So we are already above the horizontal line already.
Yeah, I can see. Actually, this indicator shows you everything which is happening here in numbers or in long or shorts to give you a easier outlook of what's going on in the market. And these indicators can a bit confused, and maybe because of the different colors now it looks overwhelming. But to make it quick, everything you see here is actually reflecting in the charts as well. So on the 4 hours we are bearish because short means we are bearish, and on the RSI on the smaller time frames we are very bullish because it's a very overbought signal at the moment, so very high.
That's okay. So that's why we have the bright green color. So it's into overbought territory.
Yes, let's have a quick look. We can customize as well. Over 70 is a bright green,
Hmm.
or on the opposite side it's very bright red. You can change it, of course. No, you
Yeah.
can change the colors. So at the moment, it's like in a smaller time frame, something is going on, and probably in the next 4 hours or one day, we could also change swap bullish. This would be great.
Hmm.
Otherwise, we will see what's going on. This is what happened in 15 minutes.
Yeah, great. And also the stochastic. So that's a great indicator to use for spotting reversal signs. So you see on the 4 hour and the daily, um, yeah, they're still neutral. On the daily, we're just above the 54, so that's great. There's a lot of room to the upside still.
Yeah, I mean, it looks like we are going bullish at the moment, but it's not confirmed because we have to
Mhm.
wait until the candle close. But it looks good.
So if you see the stochastic on the 4 hour, so by the last candle it was like in the 40s. So now we are, so it's only a half hour. So
Half
now we
hour
are
left. Yeah.
getting into the overbought zone. So
Yes,
possible reversal zone.
right. If you are a live trader, maybe this will be an early signal. You know, if you are the one that want to wait until it's confirmed, it's okay. But so you have already a overview and you can act early. And the great thing is you can do it with 10 coins in the same time. you
Hmm.
know and if you even want to have 20, 30, or 100, it's possible, but you need to do it separately, but because we are completely on the limit of the performance. We also have the candle hunt signals, but what I would like to talk about is are the extra indicators. Remember, you had this request to put the EMAs
Yeah.
as well, and I actually put this extra option in the indicator, and if you activate it, you get the 13, 21, 53, 200 EMA.
Yeah, that really helps a lot.
Yeah, and when you activate it, change in the title. You can see it just changing, and you can see if we are above or below those lines. And it's great because if you may be watching different coins, you can have a look which coin is going up at the moment.
Yeah, and also I like to use the EMA. So if you are having a pullback and you put on the EMAs on your screen, so you can see that the how the price reacts to the EMA. So now we have the
Yes, now you can see pretty good what's going on. They are acting quite
BNB is
similar, but
BNB is looking very strong. I
BNB
see.
looks really good at the moment. Let's change it and have a look. BNB. So just a second.
Yeah,
Yeah, I mean
the
we
super trend is turning bullish.
yeah, and somehow I mean we are sideways. We hitting this resistance here. Let's see what happened, but it's good to know that there's something at the moment, and we also have in some coins the BDL signals.
Yeah, the possible reversals.
Yeah, so the BDL signals are actually three different ones. Let's have a look in the settings. It's the Candle Hunter Mountain, Valley, and the Firecrackers, our favorite ones.
Hmm.
And yeah, also we come to the last part of the indicators, the alerts. And the alerts are pretty interesting because, of course, we don't want to watch the screener all the time. We want to know what's going on in specific moments, and there are too many options. One idea was to trigger alerts when, for example, RSI all time frames are long or short, and the same with MACD and Supertrend, and also the EMAs. When all EMAs are long or short, then you get an alert in TradingView. And yeah, this is very helpful. So
Nice one. Yeah.
you don't need to watch it. And with the candle hunters, we can change the time frames. So time frame 1, 2, 3, or 4. Um, we just seen before the mountain here. Now it disappears because the 50 minutes are over. But if you want to have the 50-minute signal, you choose time frame 1, and then you get it on your trading view alert. I can having a quick look. So for example here on the 240, it's 4-hour time frame, we have the valley signal and also firecrackers from, for example, an ADA. Yeah, this is how it can look.
Yeah, and especially when you see them on the 4 hour and daily, they are very, very strong signals. So like in the 15 minute or maybe 1 hour, it's you have a little bit more noise, but
Yes, exactly.
and also you can yeah, yeah, right. You can combine it with the candle hunter itself, so you have way more information that way.
Yes, exactly. If you watch the video from the candle hunter, you know a bit more about the symbols. But for example, you would not have missed the valley signal now, which is a great bottom signal, and
Yeah,
you could enter the
reversals.
trade right in time
Yeah, BNB is definitely a coin to
to watch
watch.
on. Yeah,
Yeah,
I mean, let's go to the daily again. I think we are pretty cool because we are on the all-time high like BTC, and we try to break it at least. We try to break it. I mean, we are still bullish, and it takes time to confirm it and building support, of course. But yeah, it's a good way to check out what's
how
going
many
on.
weeks till the halving? 15 days or so?
Oh, I don't know, but we can have a look if you want. So here we are, 15 days.
15 days, 2,311 blocks.
So close, so close.
April 20.
Yeah, um, yeah. I remember also we have screenshots to show. Let's have a look in the screenshot because we wanted to show an example what happened at one time. So here we are. Um, the screenshot actually shows this firecracker on the 1 hour, right? And the ship coin is trigger it, and we had here just before that the great
One candle
signal.
before, yeah.
Yeah, it
That's
just
a
was
great
pumping
signal.
after. So amazing. And this as alert, what do you want more?
Yeah, that's you won't get any better signals. Yeah, and also great that you can combine it with the candle hunter.
Yes, exactly. So we strictly recommend to watch the Candle Hunter video as well to understand. But these videos are like building up on each other. So make sure you go step by step. So everything is like, puzzling and all the indicators get explained. So it's a perfect way to understand them.
Yeah, it's sometimes it's a little bit confusing because yeah, we work with the indicators all day, and for us it's so clear. But if you're new to these indicators, you would have so many questions, and once you turn on the indicator, you would be like, "Damn!" Even you had that when you first used the candle hunter. You were like, "What the hell is going on here?"
So true. Yeah, actually, that's a good point because as always, we refer to the Discord server. So come around, have a look, have ask some questions, ask everything you want. We are there actually almost 24/7. And as well, the indicator you get for free for 1 month if you um, give a sign until end of April. Okay, this is
Yeah,
the deadline. So end of April is the trial version you can try. Come there, having asking just for the indicator. We invite you on TradingView. You have to invite only then, and you can play around.
yeah, no strings attached. You can use the screener, you can use the candle hunter, and also important because Joe is from Germany. He speaks German. I speak Dutch. So and we have two colleagues there from England. So if you have any specific questions, we cover almost all languages.
Yeah, at least in Europe. At least in Europe.
Yeah,
Yeah, we are not native English speakers, as you can hear, but of course, our
you probably can't hear that by our accent. You
no,
must
no, we are
think,
we
oh,
are
these guys are so
perfectly.
professional, perfectly English. But yeah, if you want to learn about our indicators, just come around, join us. You can join us for free. We have a lot of educational videos and everything.
Right. So I hope you could understand a little bit more about it. And as we told you, don't hesitate to ask questions in the comments and Discord server wherever you want. Yeah, and that's it actually. We covered everything.
Nice.
All right, then having a good day and speak you soon.
Thanks again for watching.
Yes, thanks for watching.
Bye bye.
Bye guys.